In this tutorial, I'm going to cover the necessary changes for your SAS program to run on SLC. Navigate to File Explorer, Hub, then Hub Server, and find your compatible program. Copy the program and paste it into SLC test. Rename the program and add the suffix _SLC test. Open the program. This program first imports two SAS7B datasets, converts them into WPD datasets, then merges them and exports the merged dataset as a CSV file. It may be necessary to update all the libname statements to point to the data being referenced. I've stored my datasets over here in the data folder. Selecting a folder or a file populates the properties window. The properties window includes a path which can be copied and pasted into the libname statements. I want to store my converted datasets in the converted data folder. I want to store my output in the output folder. Next, we have to add the engines to the libname statements. Since the data sets I'm using are SAS7BDAT datasets, I have to use the engine SAS7BDAT. And since I'm converting the datasets into WPD datasets, I will use the engine WPD. WPD is the SLC proprietary file format and optimized for use with SLC. Once you have made the changes, click Ctrl S to save the program. Select the program and click Run. Navigate to the directory where you have stored your datasets. My converted datasets should be in the converted data folder. Right-click and click Refresh. My output should have been stored in the output folder. Run the same program in SAS and obtain the CSV file. Once we have obtained both the CSV files, we have to now run a proc compare statement to ensure that they're exactly the same. In this program, I'm importing both the CSV files and then running a proc compare statement. Select the program and click Run. Once you have run the program, navigate to Outputs and click on the output icon. As you can see, no unequal values were found, and all values compared are exactly equal. Head over to your program under SLC Test, copy it, and paste it in SLC Production Ready. Rename the program and change the suffix to _SLC.